So we're on the Daytona crunch right now, and we've got some issues. In the last video, I showed you guys I needed to put my platinum emblems on this side of the bed because I had this bed repainted. If you guys are following the videos, you guys would know that. But if not, I had the mirrors painted and I had the bed painted like last week. So I went to go put my platinum letters back on. I put my 3M tape and all that, and we've got a little bit of a problem.
What does that say there?
It's not a platinum anymore, it's a latinum. Somehow, from bringing the truck to one painter to another, the P is missing. I've been thinking about this for a little because Daytona is in tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, today's Thursday, and we need to get on the grind, and we gotta make this look perfect. So, I've been thinking about what I'm gonna do. I came up with a great idea. Honestly, it's gonna look so perfect. I was thinking about just putting a P, and it's literally like you're not even gonna know. Like, I think it's gonna look like you can't even tell. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna have to get a P because, I mean, I got the Sharpie, so we're good. What do you think? You think it's gonna look fine?
I think it's gonna look stock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think like...
I mean, it's the same thing as a black, it's a black letter. I mean,
I taped it so I know where to put it.
Yeah,
like,
and you already wrote it in and it looks exactly like what the P should look like.
And these are already black, so I mean, I think a Sharpie will be fine.
Black, a letter P, it's about the same thing. Yeah, you know, wipe it just...
make sure it sticks.
Yeah.
This is permanent because, you know, we want this to last. It's a little small.
It's a little...
Maybe,
make it a little thicker.
A little thick. You think it'll come off?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Oh
my God, bro, that's so perfect.
It looks stock.
You can't even tell. That literally...
That actually is pretty nice, man.
Yeah, bro. That's mint. That's fucking mint right there.
That's mint, man.
So honestly, I'm pretty happy with how that came out. Drop a comment if like you think I still need to get the P. I think we're good though. So now we can move on. Daytona crunch, we're already halfway done. So the next step is addressing these headlights. You guys have been roasting me for my headlights since the day I bought this truck. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to make these look brand new. Literally, I'm gonna totally transform these headlights. Like, I'm gonna make these look so good, like they don't even look the same, to be honest. Like, they're literally, you're not gonna recognize them. That's how good I'm gonna transform them. So as you guys know, WD-40 fixes everything. So all you need, a little bit of spray. Then you're gonna get a towel and you're gonna scrub and scrub and scrub for about 5 minutes. Oh my God. Dude, they look brand new. You can't even recognize them, they look so good. When they say WD-40 fixes everything, they weren't joking. Oh my God, that was kind of sketchy. That was live action. Imagine that hit me, like knocks me out. Daytona crunch over, in the hospital. Truck for sale, gotta pay my medical bills. We just made it to the gas station. We're about to head out to Daytona. We got the trucks loaded up, or not loaded up, but rolling out. And we're on that Daytona crunch right now. What do we got going on here? We got a little...
some sticker installation.
There's nothing worse than rushing, putting a sticker on. It's the worst thing you could ever rush. Put it on crooked. Just slap it on. He's like, dude, I paid 10 bucks for that. Yo, I need your guys' opinion. Can you tell my P is like not factory, or does it look factory?
No, it definitely noticeable. Well, it depends the speed.
Damn.
If you're going fast enough, you won't notice.
I thought it looks pretty good. Do you think I could find somebody's that I could possibly finesse for the weekend? So we're on the Daytona prep, and Daytona prep means W40 because obviously this stuff fixes everything. You ready? Look at my frame's all nasty. Look at this. Brand new frame in a can right here. That's how you prep for Daytona. Look at my mirror and look at his mirror. Same truck, and he has like a 3-inch leveling kit. Oh boy, we finally made it. 4 hours later, not too shabby. If you guys don't know, that's the Daytona Speedway. Oh yeah. Made it to the beach, finally. Well, boys, we made it back from Daytona, back at the house. 8 hours of driving, 4 hours there, 4 hours back. Old Ruby was amazing. Didn't give me a single issue, and we're doing some more mods. So stay tuned for that. I pulled the headlights out. You can probably take a good guess at what I'm doing. But Daytona was lit as always, and stay tuned for the future because we got a lot more cool stuff happening to the truck, and I got some big dreams going on right now for the future. So I'm super excited. Stay tuned. And also, my Hellcat parts just got powder coated. So I'm gonna attach a picture right here. I want you guys to guess what color I powder coated the wheels and the blower on the Hellcat. So that's coming soon. Truck mods are coming soon, and you can see a little sneak peek what's going on back there. But that's a wrap for the video. Thanks for watching. As always, drop a like if you liked the video, and if you didn't like the video, you know, drop a dislike. Let me know what you didn't like. But that's a wrap, and peace. So when you don't got a bottle opener, put on the lip of your specialties. Money, that's how it's done. Of course it has to rain on the way home. Like, why would it not? Talk about a fucking stretch.